Happy 50th anniversary, Lolo and Lola. As your grandchildren, we are so thankful for the love and guidance you've given us. Your marriage taught us the meaning of patience and commitment. Through your kindness, sacrifices, and unwavering support, you build a family full of love.
We are proud to be your grandchildren and grateful for every moment we share. We love you more than words can say.
Happy 50th anniversary! We love you! See you soon!
Naipang happy 50th wedding anniversary. We are so blessed. We are very proud. And we are so grateful na kayo ang aming parents. Maraming salamat sa lahat-lahat. And we love you.
Naipang happy 50th anniversary. Again, maraming salamat po sa lahat-lahat. We love you. God bless.
Happy anniversary, Lola and Lolo. Thank you so much. I love you so much. I love you.
To Nanay and Papang, happy golden anniversary. Hoping and praying dahil pagid nga anniversary sa mag-abot sa inyo. Enjoy ka muna, Nay. God bless and thank you for everything.
Naipang happy golden wedding anniversary sa inyo nga duwa. Unta maglawig pa kag magabot pa sa Diamond wedding anniversary ninyo. Kag salamat sa tanan-tanan nga kayo. Wala ini kun wala ako subong kun hindi dahil sa inyo. Sa liwat madamo gid nga salamat kag happy golden wedding anniversary sa inyo nga duwa.
Una, hi Lolo and Lola. Happy birthday. I love you, Mwah. Happy golden anniversary to the most wonderful grandparents. May your anniversary be as special as your love for each other. We love you and we miss you, Lolo and Lola. Mwah.
Happy anniversary, Nanay, Papang, palangga gid namon kamo na dalawa. Maraming salamat. Ingat kayo parati dyan. God bless.
Happy golden anniversary!
Happy 50th anniversary, Nanay and Tatay from Exodus Family!
Happy golden anniversary, Nanay Pina, Lolo Pablo.
Happy 50th wedding anniversary sa inyo.
Hello, happy golden anniversary.
Happy golden wedding anniversary, Lolo Pablo and Lola Pina.
Hi, Auntie Pinay. To you both, Kuyang Pablo, bakit happy golden wedding anniversary sa inyong duwa.
Hi, Auntie Pina and Uncle Pablo. Happy 50 gold.
Happy golden wedding anniversary, Nanay Josefina and Tatay Marcelino from Israel 2 and 4.
Go.
Hello, Auntie Pina and Uncle Pam!
Marcelino, sana maging matatag pa rin ang inyong pagmamahalan at pagpalain kayo ni Lord na umaba pa ang inyong buhay. God bless Josefina and Marcelino.
Hi, Beshi! Congratulations and blessed 50th golden anniversary to you and to your beloved husband. I pray for abundant blessings, good health, long life, and safe always. I love you, Beshi!